Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best nail boot dipping powder is probably one of the most popular and versatile nail enhancement products available today, offering a durable and beautiful alternative to traditional acrylics and gels, and it's no wonder why so many people are flocking to this innovative system for salon-quality manicures right at home, providing a lightweight feel and a stunning finish that lasts for weeks without chipping or lifting, making it a go-to choice for beauty enthusiasts seeking both longevity and aesthetic appeal in their nail care routine. Number 5. Beetles Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter. Discover the Beetles Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter, your all-in-one solution for salon-quality manicures at home. Explore a stunning palette of 20 colors, from chic nudes to dazzling glitters. Achieve flawless nails with our easy-to-use dipping system. The Modern Muse collection offers a spectrum of shades designed to complement every style and occasion. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: base coat, top coat, and activator. Get ready for beautiful, long-lasting nail art. Why go to the salon when you can create professional-looking nails yourself? Our kit makes it simple and fun to achieve stunning results. From subtle elegance to bold statements, express your unique style with this versatile collection. Elevate your manicure game with Beetles. What we like? This kit offers a wide range of colors, including popular nudes, pinks, and blues, with added glitter for extra sparkle. If you love variety and want to create eye-catching designs, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different looks for any occasion. What people say. The powders have been pretty durable with just 3 coats. Love the colors, and I like that I can be creative and make other colors by mixing the powders. They definitely seem very strong like acrylic, but not nearly as thick. The colors are very nice, and even when doing white, 2 coats was probably enough, but I did do 3 coats to prevent chipping. Number 4. SAVILAND Dip Powder Nail Kit. Get ready for vibrant, long-lasting nails with our all-in-one dip powder kit. It's perfect for creating stunning summer looks right at home. Explore a spectrum of 20 dazzling neon shades to match every mood and outfit. These colors are designed to make your nails pop. This starter kit includes everything you need to achieve a professional dip manicure. From base coat to top coat, we've got you covered. Experience an easy and flawless application process that delivers salon-quality results. Achieve beautiful nails effortlessly. Ideal for your personal DIY nail art or as a thoughtful Christmas gift for a friend. Give the gift of beautiful nails. Enjoy salon-quality manicures from the comfort of your home. Achieve durable and beautiful nails with our comprehensive system. What we like? This set comes with vibrant neon colors and even includes a nail drill for a complete salon experience at home. If you're looking for a professional-level manicure with trendy neon shades and all the tools, this is the one. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want to achieve salon-quality results and express their bold style. What people say. It's so amazing, it dries so fast and is not sticky, beautiful colors, easy application, and I'm a professional nail tech and this is one of the most high-quality dip nail powder I've ever used. The color choices. I find it hard to pick just one when starting my manicure. Really fun options. Great quality and very easy to use for beginners. Nothing came in broken, and if there are any broken parts it comes with extra pieces. The pictures shown are the 3 first times I've ever done dip and it doesn't really take any skill. Number 3. SAVILAND Dip Powder Remover Kit. Tired of difficult dip nail removal? Introducing a revolutionary kit designed for a gentle and safe experience. Say goodbye to soaking and wrapping. Achieve professional salon results in the comfort of your own home. This kit provides everything you need for a smooth and easy removal process. Our formula is crafted to be gentle on your nails and skin. You can remove your dip nails without harsh chemicals or damaging your cuticles. This comprehensive kit includes 2 bottles of our effective dip powder remover, along with essential tools. You'll have all you need for a perfect manicure. Forget the hassle of traditional removal methods. Our innovative solution eliminates the need for soaking or wrapping, saving you time and effort. Enriched with cuticle oil, it helps to nourish and protect your nails during the removal process. Keep your nails healthy and hydrated. What we like? This remover is designed to be gentle and safe, offering a no soaking, no wrapping removal process. If you want to easily remove dip nails without damaging your natural nails or cuticles, this is the product for you. It's perfect for home users who seek a convenient and less harsh alternative to traditional removal methods. What people say. This dipping powder is amazing, it applies so smoothly and the color is beautiful. I love how durable this dipping powder is. It lasts for weeks without chipping. The Nail Boo dipping powder comes in a wide variety of colors, so there's something for everyone. Number 2. SAVILAND Clear Dip Powder Set. Discover the SAVILAND Clear Dip Powder, your key to achieving beautiful, natural-looking nails. This crystal clear formula is perfect for creating stunning French manicures and more. Achieve salon-quality French manicures with ease. Its crystal clear finish provides a flawless base for any nail art design. Not only does it look great, but it also strengthens your natural nails. Enjoy healthier, more resilient nails with every application. Designed for beginners, this dip powder set is incredibly easy to use. You don't need any special skills to get professional results. Say goodbye to UV or LED lamps. This innovative formula air dries, making your manicure process quicker and more convenient. Experience a truly crystal clear finish that enhances the natural beauty of your nails. It's the perfect foundation for any nail art. What we like. This clear dipping powder provides a natural look while strengthening your nails, making it excellent for beginners. If you desire a clean, natural finish or want to build strength in your nails without fuss, consider this option. It's ideal for those new to dip powder or who prefer a subtle, healthy-looking manicure. What people say. It is truly as simply as they show it in the video. Just dip, brush off, repeat. You can always use some bonding polish on the nail bed to help it adhere, but I didn't this time. But what made me really happy is that I don't have to spend hours filing and buffing. I've never had such a smooth, easy finish. It's easy to use and get the hang of if it's your first time. Just make sure you put on the base evenly so you don't get lines in the powder. Nice size container. This is the finest of granules, which makes application a breeze. Thank you for such a quality product. Number 1. SAVILAND Dip Powder Liquid Set. Discover the ultimate solution for your nail art needs. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a flawless dip powder application at home or in the salon. Our set includes 4 essential liquids, a base coat, an activator, a top coat, and a brush saver. Each bottle contains 15 milliliters of high-quality product for long-lasting results. We prioritize your health and safety. That's why our formula is HEMA-free, offering a gentler option for your nails without compromising on performance. Achieve professional-looking results with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this dipping system makes creating beautiful nail art simple and enjoyable. Say goodbye to UV lamps. Our dip powder system air dries, saving you time and effort. Enjoy salon-quality nails without the need for curing. This is your go-to kit for a perfect dip powder manicure. It's designed to be user-friendly, ensuring a smooth and beautiful finish every time. What we like. This set includes essential liquids that are HEMA-free, ensuring a safer dipping experience without the need for a UV lamp. If you are concerned about nail sensitivities or prefer a quick, no-cure system, this liquid set is a great companion. It's perfect for anyone looking to maintain their dip powder nails with high-quality, essential components. What people say. The powder is very fine and smooth, making it easy to apply. It creates a beautiful, natural-looking finish that lasts for weeks. The colors are vibrant and true to the swatches, offering a great selection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.